Since Elon Musk took over the ownership of Twitter, crypto enthusiasts everywhere have been waiting for that update that would make Twitter more favorable and profitable for the crypto market. Well, it looks like that update is finally here. And if you are a Shib holder, you definitely want to know what this update is. So make sure to stick around for this one. Disclaimer. But before we get to the main news, what would you do when Shiba Inu hits 1 cent? The Shiba Inu 1 cent dream has remained alive, and Shiba Inu's performance this year has certainly contributed to keeping it alive. 2022 might not have been the year for Shib or any other cryptocurrency, but the token has been making a decent comeback so far in 2023, which is probably why holders have been thinking about what they would do when the token finally hits 1 cent. And there are really big plans. One investor mentioned that they would start a business once Shib hits 1 cent. The investor, who is 31 years old, stated that he plans to establish a real estate venture due to the thriving property market in Topeka where he lives. And with Shib hitting 1 cent, he'd finally have enough money to tap into that market. Another investor, a 37-year-old native of San Francisco, doesn't have big plans yet. He just mentioned that his first reaction would be to cry, regardless of where he'd be at the time. This investor currently has 238 million Shib tokens, so tears are understandable because they would earn a nest egg once Shib hits 1 cent. Yet another investor has mentioned that they would immediately buy 20 acres of land and build their dream house. This investor is a 27-year-old from Tennessee, and she has these plans because she completely believes that Shib will eventually hit 1 cent. In fact, she has already purchased the blueprints for a 4,000 square feet dream house. All that's left is for all that money to come in so that she can start the building. It's interesting to see how different people's plans are for Shib's price pump. Would you be willing to share yours in the comments section? I'd like to read your interesting plans in the comments section. Meanwhile, whatever your plans are, you might be closer to fulfilling them than you initially thought. Elon Musk's Twitter just recently entered into a partnership with eToro, a financial services provider. This partnership will make it possible for Twitter users to trade stocks, crypto, and other financial assets right from Twitter. And it went live this past Thursday, the 14th of April. Speaking on what this new partnership means for crypto holders, Watch Your Guru writes that Twitter currently has a cash tag feature that allows users to view real-time trading data from various platforms. However, with the Twitter eToro partnership, the cash tag feature will expand to include more instruments and asset classes, including trading crypto. The social media platform will also have a View on eToro button, which will take users to the eToro site. Adding this payment feature would definitely increase traffic to Twitter, as crypto holders would be more attracted to the platform. Since he took over Twitter, Elon Musk has tried to implement a variety of measures to improve the company's profitability, including introducing paid verification. So this recent partnership with eToro has to be another move by Twitter to improve its profitability. However, there's no denying the fact that the crypto market would be the biggest gainers in this situation. Billions of people have a Twitter account, and the platform averages more than 400 million monthly active users. These people would be even more exposed to crypto, which could increase the number of people interested in it. And considering that Shib is both a top crypto and a low entry one, it would definitely be the token of choice for many of those people. Speaking of things that are good for Shib, short-term holders have started selling. I know this might not sound like a good thing, but hear me out. So far in April, about 50,000 new wallets have exited the Shib market, and most people are saying that it's because the price has been stagnant. Unfortunately, this mass exodus has caused a small dip in the price of Shib, but it's not exactly surprising. What's more, the exodus itself is not completely a bad thing. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shib. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck! For one, this dip in price could be a good opportunity for people to accumulate even more Shib tokens. Even a number of whales do this because it gives them the opportunity to buy even more tokens that they would have normally. This is not financial advice though. What's more, with the short-term holders leaving the market, we know that whoever is left in it is for the long haul. This means that when Shib actually hits its growth spurt, we won't need to worry about people leaving. In addition to that, Shiba Inu has actually been growing in popularity. What this means is that many people have been engaging with Shiba Inu and its projects on a variety of social media platforms. This increase in engagements has to be a result of the updates that have been introduced into the Shiba Inu ecosystem so far. I mean, we've had Shibarium, which is doing well, and some updates about the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It's understandable that people would be curious and or excited, leading to more engagements on social media. Interestingly, Shib is not just popular on social media. It is also popular on a number of crypto exchanges, at least according to CoinMarketCap. That is, on CoinMarketCap's list of trending tokens, Shib is one of the most trending tokens. And interestingly, Shib is getting more attention than Ethereum, one of the OGs. This goes to show that this popularity is not all talk. People seem to be willing to put their money where their mouth is. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. The Shib token is not the only thing in the Shiba Inu market that is growing. PuppyNet, the just launched Shibarium beta, has been growing in utilities as well. It just hit a major milestone in the area of average block time and number of wallet addresses interacting on the network. And now, these milestones are being considered by analysts as possible bullish catalysts for Shib. To break things down, the average block time on PuppyNet is currently 5 seconds. That is, the platform has been successfully completing transactions in just 5 seconds. As you must remember, one of the things that the dev team promised us with Shibarium was quicker transactions. So it looks like, at least on that front, Shibarium is proving to be a success, which gives people hope that the promise of Shibarium pumping Shib's price would also be fulfilled. As regards the number of wallets, there are now more than 4 million wallets on the Shibarium testnet, and so far, there have been more than 3 million transactions successfully completed on the platform. Bear in mind that this platform has barely been around for a month, so it is a big deal that these many wallets now exist on the platform and that many transactions have been completed. This makes people positive about what the actual Shibarium would do and how good it would be for Shib's price. Meanwhile, Shib burns have been happening. In just 24 hours, 30 million tokens were sent to the burn wallet. This might not be as large a burn volume as we want, but it shows that people are still committed to it. Anyway, with all of that happening, how long would it be until Shiba Inu gets to 1 cent? Well, Shiba Inu influencer Shib BPP seems to believe that Shib has 3 paths to the 1 cent dream. One, which they consider the most crucial, is mass adoption. A lot of brands already accept Shib as a payment method, but there needs to be more, a lot more. With mass adoption will come an increase in buying pressure, which could then result in a price pump. The second condition is an increase in staking. Apparently, staking is supposed to help make Shib more deflationary over the long term, which would add to the bullish pressure. And the third is an increase in burns. As you probably know, if the community can reduce the circulating supply of Shib, it can force a scarcity which would increase buying pressure and invariably the price of Shib. Knowing all of that, do you think that Shib stands a chance to hit 1 cent? And when do you think that would happen? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.